Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Randy Dansa. I want to share my video response about pro-choice versus pro-life abortions. First, I will start from argument to support. The argument is may an abortion because the prospective mother is still underage, and the reason is because the age is still very early. It sometimes requires woman who is still underage to have an abortion. On the fetus, she is crying. Many factors affect economic, social environment, and lack of sense of responsibility. This also makes them unable to do so able become parents in underage. And then for the example is there are many reasons that make women undergo an underage abortion. For example, when it woman condition does not allow for childbirth, it is permissible to perform an abortion because if it continue, it is likely to endanger the mother and future children. And then for the link back is adolescence is not a period that should think about children or household life, one of which is the lack of a sense of responsibility from both partners, or it could be from the side of men who do not want to be responsible for their actions, so that what should be prohibited is done, whose emotion and mentalities are not ready and whose reproduction is not yet fully mature. So what when experiencing underage pregnancy is it is better to do an abortion. And then the next is argument to negative. The argument is do an abortion as an option when many young people get pregnant outside of marriage. The reason is many young people get pregnant outside of marriage due to promiscuity, resulting in many young people who have free abortions. Each year there are 2.6 million cases of abortions. As many as 700 abortions perpetrators are teenagers or women under 20 years old. The impact of free sex among adolescents is that the rate of pregnancy outside of marriage is very high, and there are also increasing cases of abortion at a young age. And then for the example is the cause of the many acts of abortion outside of marriage is the result of promiscuity among adolescents. Some of the way that young women do to stop their pregnancy are from doing it themselves to asking for help from others. Drinking herbal pluntur or Letmans is one of the efforts they make to have an abortion on their own, and usually what is commonly done by women who experience unwanted pregnancies and have been known for a long time is consuming other foods or drinks that are believed to provoke the release of the fetus from the woman, such as young pineapple, dark beer, or doing certain activities such as jumping. If these efforts are unsuccessful, then they seek help from trained personnel such as an obstetrician. And then for the link back is free sex behavior among teenagers is a very unsettling. Free sex generally leads to unwanted pregnancies. The moral crisis has made many teenagers who become pregnant outside of marriage at young age to attempt to abort or have an abortion. That's enough. Thank you.